Ayan. Pogi mo. Because I love you. See? ID mo. Yo.
Don't make it pangit, ha?
No, I will not. Pangit? Tingin ako dito. That mo. Sige na?
Yeah.
Tingin ako. Ayan, okay na yan. It's okay. Pangit pa. Pogi face nga, pogi face. Yabo naman, pogi naman. Pogi. 1, 2, 3. Oh. I don't know, maybe... Mabang pogi yan, see? Mabang pogi naman. Oh. Morning. Bye-bye, love you. See? Bye-bye. Take this na. Morning. So guys, ngayon nandito tayo sa school ni Alonzo and susunduin natin siya. So, yeah. Tingnan natin kung ano ang ginagawa ng ating baby boy. So, sige lang. Ayun. Ayun ang ito niya. Pogi. Oy ko. Ano ba yan? Laro ka? Gusto mong play? Ayun laki na kalaro guys. Wait.
Hi, si Pina! Luwa!
Tara na. Yo. Pulis ka na, oh. How was your school?
Good!
Good?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I didn't finish my bubble.
You have star?
Yeah.
All, how many? Only one. It's okay.
Um,
Did you listen to your teacher?
yeah.
How was the teacher?
Good.
Good?
Oh, it's a coat.
Oh, yeah. Did you talk to your classmate?
Yeah.
Who?
Don't know what's the name.
You don't know what's the name?
Yeah.
Is it a girl or a boy?
Good.
A girl. And she's sitting beside you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, does she know your name? She knows your name? Let's see the cat here. I think they get the cat already. Oh no.
Oh.
Ay!